Okay, now you see how I'm screeding it. See how I mentioned I've got that sloping down to there, and it all it all runs into the waist. See that fall? It's also sloping from there to there into there. See that fall? Same the other side. See that fall? So it's all falling into the waist. That will be sloping up the same, going up the same slope as that, and that'll be going up, mitered in the corners, home and hose. So what we're doing now, the easy peasy part, we're just dragging it back so it's nice and flat. And there you have it. I reckon these strip drains are the best since sliced bread. When you're dragging your mud back, you're always looking at that side and that side, that you're never digging in right. We're falling nicely. A little bit more mud. Then that'll be that done. Then I'm level, I'm dead flat and level out here and in the toilet, because there's no waste there. So we're home and hose. What I'm trying to show everyone we're falling nicely. See that bubble? We're falling nicely into there. This aluminium is slightly out of level, this concrete floor. So I'm flush with the aluminium there and down a bit there. That is purely a water stop, but that's where I'll be starting my full tile and running down there, and I'll be going off here with a full tile. I'll probably mitre one, maybe this tile out here, so it fits together nicely and covers that aluminium, and that's it. See the fall there? Absolute beauty. when you're screeding, just sort of put your straight edge and just sort of run it over gently. But you can always be a little bit, you know, like you're using a 12mm notchy. See that? Beautiful. All right, I'll come back to you shortly. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Press that button. See ya. Bye.